Do you ever feel like you've had the magic knocked out of you? Well, I hear you. I get it. Having those gorgeous, beautiful, ambitious goals and maybe doing all of the doing, but not being able to reach them. Well, I'm landing here to share that the magic hasn't gone anywhere. It's not been knocked out of you. It's always inside of you. The challenge most face is that it's become layered over. Think of it like a gorgeous Christmas present, and there's lots of layers of wrapping paper, and you just have to keep taking off each layer to get to the gold, to get to the magic, to get to the beauty and the power of who you are. And this is the work that I love to share with my clients, showing them how to expand beyond the third and fourth dimensional selves, to expand into the fifth dimension, the quantum field, the field of infinite possibility, where all possibilities, probabilities for your life exist. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, sounds a bit woo, Louise, well, it actually isn't woo. It's founded in science. Science now proves what the ancient traditions have said all along, that there is this field of energy, an infinite field. The truth is, indigenous cultures have been saying this all along, and science is only really confirming the truth, that there is an infinite realm, there is a field of infinite potential. And I'm here to say that the magic that you feel, that tap on your shoulder that you're meant for more, know that it's a very real voice. It's your higher self calling on you to come over here. Let me guide you. Let me show you how to manifest that big ass vision that you have, because it's absolutely possible. And once you know how to work in the fifth dimension, in the quantum field, which is what I show my clients to do nightly, you can actually merge with that version of yourself, receive the downloads, the genius ideas to make your vision your reality, to download the blueprint and the roadmap that can get you there. But here's the challenge. Once you wake up, you're now back in your physical body. So you now have to do the work to train your physical body to actually hold those higher states and higher frequencies, those higher energies of abundance. Again, this is where we do the work to take off those layers of wrapping paper, to remove the beliefs and programs that are locked in your brain. It's old circuitry, stuff you picked up when you were a kid. Maybe it's ancestral, it's not even yours, it's been passed to you through epigenetic mechanisms to ensure your survival, or it could be from a past life. But this is the powerful work that I do with my clients, working at the present life, past life and ancestral levels, to support them to understand the truth of who they are, the power that they hold within them, to reactivate that power, but also to clear all of the limiting beliefs and blocks, the old circuitry, the old programs, the old wiring in the brain and in the nervous system and in your cells and in your DNA that's telling you, that's not possible for you. You couldn't possibly do that. Who are you to do this? I'm not enough. I could never do that. Well, it just isn't true. Remember, if you take anything away from this download, it's that see yourself as that gorgeous, beautiful, present, gift, magical being. And I use the word present because we need to stay in the present moment. That's a very important part of the manifestation process. But see yourself as that gift in life, that you have gifts to share with the world. You just have to peel off those layers that don't serve you so that you can hold those expanded frequencies of love and above, abundance, so that you can walk with and follow through on that 5D vision that you have for your life. You can't manifest a 5D vision from a 3D, 4D mindset. Got to shift it, got to change it. This is the beautiful, powerful work that I love to do with my clients. And I'm actually launching for the first time ever, one of the most powerful, it's the most powerful program that I've ever created to date. It's going to be an 8-week group coaching container. We're going to be building this live. You're going to have access to me, to all of the tools and processes that I've shared with my one-on-one clients over the past 15 years. And we're going to walk this journey together. I'm going to show you how to connect with your 5th dimensional self every single night, how to receive those downloads, how to interpret the messages that are being encoded in your dreams. And when you wake, to do the deep transformational reprogramming and rewiring. Remember the gift, the magic that's inside of you. We just have to remove those layers of wrapping paper that don't serve you. I mean, what's the point of having a gift if it's all wrapped up and you can't see it? We need to get to the beauty of who you are, the remembering, get rid of the wrapping paper, the layers, the old circuitry, old programs, replace them with new ones, and do this work working directly with your ancestors, your guides, the quantum realms. And just one last thing in closing. The beauty and power of working in the dream time is that your subconscious mind, as you drift off to sleep, is opening. Your conscious mind, ego, is taking a rest, thank goodness. And as your subconscious mind opens, you can now begin to deposit in there for a period of 6, 8, 10 hours new health, wealth, and abundance codes, because your subconscious mind will receive those codes. It will receive the information, you quietly feed it. The information, identity codes, abundance codes that can support you in manifesting the gorgeous vision for your business and life, the vision that you dream of. Alrighty then, that's it, folks. Walk today knowing you are deeply loved, supported, guided by your ancestors. You are a magical being, a gift to the world. Stay in the present moment. Enjoy your day. Mwah! Ciao for now.